The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max versus the Oneplus 15. Let's get started. Resolution. Display size. Refresh rate. Brightness. Screen-to-body ratio. Density. Display protection. Back and frame protection. Dust and water resistant. Foam thickness. And the phone weight. Operating system. OS and security support duration. Processor. Central processing unit. Graphics processing unit. And the Antutu score. Main cameras of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Main cameras of the Oneplus 15. Phone camera results. RAM memory. Storage. SD card. Battery capacity. Charging. Wireless and reverse charging. Battery life. Network and SIM. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. NFC and infrared port. USB type. Unlock option. Speakers. Headphone jack. Audio features. Average phone price. And the special features. Finally, the Oneplus 15 is the winner.